Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Epic Games account on a new PC, full guide step by step clearly. Start by turning on your new PC and ensuring it's connected to the internet. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Epic Games website by typing in the URL epicgames.com. In the top right corner, click on the Sign In button. If you already have an Epic Games account, enter your login credentials. This includes your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that process as prompted. Once logged in, go to your account settings. You can find this by clicking on your username in the top right corner. In the account settings, locate the Connections tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Connections tab to view your linked accounts. If you'd like to authorize your Epic Games account with a platform like PlayStation or Xbox, click on the corresponding icon. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your gaming platform account. After successful linking, return to your account settings. Verify that your accounts are shown as connected. Next, download the Epic Games launcher. To do this, return to the Epic Games homepage and click on the Get Epic Games button. Once the installer is downloaded, open the file to start the installation. Follow the installation prompts to complete the setup of the Epic Games launcher. Once installed, launch the Epic Games launcher. Log in using your Epic Games account credentials again. After logging in, you should see your library of owned games. If you have previously purchased games, they should automatically appear in your library. You can start downloading any game you want to play on your new PC. Make sure to adjust your download settings if necessary. Check for any updates or notifications related to your games. By following these steps, your Epic Games account will be fully authorized and ready to use on your new PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.